Something smells delicious. Kelly's Kuisine cooking the best dishes. Food and drinks, recipes so nutritious. Kelly's in the kitchen, so don't you miss it.
Hi everyone, I'm Kelly D and it's summertime, and every summertime we always get mangoes. If you happen to have a glut of mangoes on your hand, today's video is just for you. We're going to be making a delicious, refreshing drink from the mango. We're going to be making mango and carrot drink. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 3 large ripe mangoes. No, they must not be overripe. We want them to be ripe and firm. We don't want them soft. We're going to cut off both sides, remove as much flesh as we can from the inside and also from around the seeds. We have 3 medium-sized carrots. We're going to peel the carrots and then we're going to cut them in half, and then we're going to cube them as small as possible for our blender. We have 1 knot of ginger. Now, if you like a lot of ginger, I will encourage you to use a little more, but I don't want too much ginger. So we have 1 knot of ginger, which we also will cut into small cubes. We have the juice of half of a lime, freshly squeezed, and sugar to taste. Now, to make our juice, we're going to use a high-powered blender. We're going to mix all of the ingredients, hard ingredients together. We have the ginger, carrots, and the mango. Now we're going to add them to our blender and blend. One step to make this amazing drink. And because your mangoes are sweet, you don't need to add sugar, but if you fancy some sugar, you can just use a little bit. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of water and blend. Ooh, it smells so good. The ginger is so strong, it's really just coming out. Just to show you the consistency, it's nice and thick, but not too thick that it looks like a smoothie. So we're going to add them all together. Then we're going to add our lime juice. And if you want to add some sugar, you can do that at this point. Then we're going to strain. If you have animals, you can use the remains, this pet, to feed your animals. Don't throw it away. And this would be our amazing mango carrot drink. Just look how light it is. And it smells so fragrant. Now, it's time to taste. Mango and carrot drink. Just look at this beautiful color. Bright orange from the carrots and the mango. Carrots are great for your eyes, and also it contains beta carotene that is perfect for your hair and skin. So ladies, take note, if you want to improve your skin and hair, you need to be drinking some of this drink. If you happen to have a glut of mangoes on your hand this summer, this is the perfect choice for you. Mango and carrot drink. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.